Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this integral problem and I want us to walk through it together. Our problem says we should evaluate the integral of the root of x with respect to the x ranging between 9 and 0. In case you are new to integration, the first thing I want to do is I want to express this as indices. I know that x, the root of x, is the same thing as x raised to power half. I'll rewrite this as the integral ranging between 9 and 0 of x raised to the power of half with respect to dx. Now, for those new to integration, this 9 and 0 are boundaries, and you'll see how I'll use it shortly. Remember that for integration, if y is equal to x with respect to the x, my y will be the same thing as ax. This is x here raised to power n, n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So that I'll be rewriting this expression as my a in this case is 1. There's a 1 here because that's the coefficient of x here as a standing alone. I'll rewrite this as x now raised to power half, which is my n, plus 1 all over half again plus 1. Now it is bounded between 9 and 0 plus c. There's a constant c. I omitted the constant here. There's a constant c, but the constant will definitely give way. That's why I can omit it. Now, so that bounding between 0 means we're going to be replacing x here with 9 and 0, so that this is the same thing as, let me omit the c now, x raised to power 3 over 2 half plus 1, that's 1.5, which is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Now it's ranging between 9 and 0. So I can rewrite this as x. Now look at, I'm dividing by 3 over 2. So that's the same thing as saying 2 over 3 times x raised to power 3 over 2. X is moving between 9 and 0. So that let's substitute for x now. This is 2 over 3 into x is 9. First, that will be 9 raised to power 3 over 2 minus, when x is 0, is 0 again raised to power 3 over 2. Obviously, 0 will give away. I'll be left with 9. So this will be the same thing as 2 over 3 times 9 raised to power 3.5. I can rewrite this as 2 over 3 times 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power 3 over 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1. So that this is the same thing as 2 over 3 times 3 raised to power 3. 3 times 3 times 3. That's 3 raised to power 3. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 1. So I'm left with 2 times 3, which is 6, times 3, which is 18. So my answer to this expression is 18. With this, I hope you understood how I dealt with this integral problem. I'll be glad you share your comment with us in the comment section. And if you have great areas with integration, kindly look in the description below. I have a link to my comprehensive lesson on calculus. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.